Hi, welcome to Brainy Buzz. This is Premvada and we are going through the CSS tutorials. So far we have seen some of the events. So today we'll see the on key press, on key down and on key up events. These are the these events will be triggered when the key is pressed. We can take the same example. So let's see, we'll write some functions. Key press. We can just write an alert box over here. Key is pressed. And key down, key up, key is up, and over here we can write it as the key is down. So we can take the example of the text box. So in this we can write it as the on key down, and it will call the key down. And after that we can write it as the on key press. So we have the key press over here, and we have the key up function over here. So let's save it and refresh it. So you can see that a text box has the focus. So when I just press the key, so it has the key down. When I just release the key is pressed because the key is released. Key is down. Key is pressed. So like this you can see that the key is pressed and the key is down. For the key up we can just remove these. Okay, so let's check the key up, refresh it. So key is up. Whenever you release a key, so it will say that key is up. So this way you can see the key up, key down and key press events. After that we have on load and on unload. These events occur when the page is loaded or when the user enters a page. So it's like whenever you want browser type or the version or the proper version of the web page, or check the cookies, at that time you can use these particular events. After that we have on change. This is used in combination with the validation of input fields. Like whenever you want to validate a input field, you can change it. So on change we can take a function. So in this, let me pass this. So let's save it whenever you refresh it, so now you have this, so it has changed to the lowercase. So this, like whenever you change something, you can put the validations on this. So it's like this event is triggered when the mouse is double click. So let me put a paragraph over here. On double click, this is a paragraph. So over here I can write a method as function dbl it will be same as the click, or you can use it when you double click your any element. Element is double click. So let's save it and refresh it. You can see a paragraph over here. So whenever you double click it, so you can see a alert box, that means element is double clicked. So these were your events, like on click, on submit, on mouse over, on mouse out, on mouse down, on mouse up, on reset, on select, on focus, on blur, on key press, on key down, on key up, on load, on unload, on change, and on double click. So you can use these events in your web page according to your requirement. Thanks and have a nice day.